G'day guys, back at it again. Just wanted to give you an understanding of what you would receive in a pack and send. So this is the Tsunami Mini compact skid. So what you'll see here is the tanks which aren't sitting with the unit are supplied separately. So you would have the selection of tank, whether 150 or 200 litre SH tank, soap tanks anywhere from 25 litre and up, and an additional water tank. So we've coupled this particular system up once again with Midwest Proportional. It has the two soaps and the remote control unit, which is a remote flush to chemical application. Double stack of hose reels. This is actually going to go on the back of a truck, so it's got separate hose reels, 50 metres of our 350 psi working hose, and we're going to put some 3/4 water hose because we are running at that just under that 40 litres a minute with this particular system. So out of a box, this is what you get. This is going to see a bit more sunshine, and I just wanted to give you a brief overview because I also wanted to show you the sharp shooter, which is new here in Australia. So they are governed to suit different litres per minute, gallons per minute, and they can sit inside a J-rod, and we've just got a single sharpshooter here, which I'll give you a bird's eye view, and we'll see how it works. Let's fire this system up. Simple key start. So the high flow gun, which I've showed you guys before, bit of oil and grease from the garbage truck this morning, is quite substantial. So when we're going for distance, you can see the overspray there with the wind. When we shoot high, quite substantial there. Remote chem on. Too easy flush with the remote control system. The indicator light we can see adjourns, so where we know when we've got chem and soap on. Fantastic unit. Let's take a look at the sharpshooter. The washdown gun from a distance shot. We can control the gun, so it's quite a universal, versatile gun, from a pencil to a fan. So when we're up and close, take a look at the sharpshooter. So rated for different gallons a minute, litres per minute. Quite concentrate. When we need to hit that at long distance, we're getting a few more metres. Let's go for a height. Packs a punch. And quite substantial height. The sharpshooter. Thanks guys for watching this again. You can see all the videos on the multi-genre that we do cover on our YouTube channel, which is Blue Tongue Industries. All these parts, and including complete turnkey skids, can be seen on our website under bluetongueindustries.com.au. We appreciate you watching, and once again we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.